As discussed last week, the expected breakout of fetch did not materialize. Instead of that, a rejection took place with a serious downward move. Past week, the price recovered as expected. Now the 5,000 to 1 million portfolio closed this trade with a small loss. Main reason to close the position: because today it is the last day of the Mercurius retrograde period and the fact that prices have been rising into the current ongoing hotspot period. Last but not least is the 100% correlation of the crypto market with a downward move of 20 to 57% towards the total lunar eclipse. The total lunar eclipse happens on September the 7th, so if history repeats, we will see a strong downward move somewhere the coming 3 weeks. Welcome back everybody, I'm the Robotic Wave Trader, bringing you weekly crypto updates and teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, so this is the daily graph of the total crypto market with the events in it. So let's first look at the Mercury retrograde period, the blue lines. So today it's the last day of the Mercury retrograde period. And if you're looking at previous ones, we always see a reaction. Downward move and then to the upside, but at the end a downward move. Looking back to the December one, at the end a downward move. And look at one more. The one of April 24. Again at the end a downward move. There's always action at the beginning and at the end of the Mercury retrograde period. So we are moving now with a strong upwards move into our hotspot period. It's still possible that we will go a little bit higher. But because we are going in an upward trend into the hotspot period, it's expected that a downward move of at least 10% will take place here. And at the 7th of September we have the total lunar eclipse, and since 2014 there's a 100% correlation with a downward move from 3 months up front up to the event that the prices will move 20 to 57%. And at this moment we only have made a move of around 10%. So if history repeats, in this period a downward move of at least 20% needs to be taken place, and otherwise this would be an outlier of the past 10 to 11 years. So this is the fetch graph. Let's have a look at the 12-hour. Beautiful recovery, and the 12-hour is turning down, and the recovery, clearly the bottom indicator gave a good signal, and also the timing instruments gave a good signal on the 12-hour. But the 12-hour is almost giving a sell signal now. On the daily, the prices are again fighting with the downward moving trend line. The daily wave is still up, and the next event is planned for somewhere around the 18th of August, according to the psychoanalysis. The weekly wave is pointing down hard, and a sell signal, a serious sell signal, has been given in the graph. The 1,000 to $1 million portfolio will close the fetch long trade, and we are taking our loss. The loss is 19%. During the period, the robot has made 5% for us, but unfortunately we have to close the position, and it's with a loss of $76. Looking at the portfolio, the current status is $7,535. The projection for the challenge, we should have been at this moment at around $8,000. So we are close by. The fetch position initially had profit, but then we took a hit, and here we see the recovery taking place, and we have closed now the position with a small loss. Okay, this for now. The weekly update will be published Monday evening European time. Have fun and a good trading week.